One day, in her early 30s, she woke up with a heartbeat that wasn't normal. Throughout the day, she was out of the breath and felt tired. She couldn't go to sleep. Finally, at the urging of her mother, who works as a nurse, she went to the emergency room. She was diagnosed with atrial fibrillation, the most common form of an arrhythmia, a problem with the rate and rhythm of the heartbeat. Laying in that hospital bed and knowing that she was close to the death, she decided to change her life. After that incident, she started taking the stairs more, eating healthier. She removed the toxic people from her life. Most importantly, she started praying and meditating. She prayed not only for herself but also for others. She could manage the exercise and healthy eating, and while she was faithful at taking her medication, she didn't want to rely on pills for the rest of her life. She decided that she would have an ablation, a procedure that was supposed to stop the irregular heart rhythm. Before the procedure, her doctor told her to stop taking the medicine. He wanted her heart start beating irregularly so that they could knew exactly where the problem was and fix it. She told the family members to pray for her. When the procedure was over, groggy from the anesthesia, she asked her mother if it was successful. Her mom said that they didn't do any treatment. During the procedure, her doctor tried for an hour to get her heart to go into irregular beats, but it never did. And to this day, her heartbeats are normal. This is the story of Jackie Williams, Florida, who believed in the power of prayer. There is a supreme power in this universe, the most pure and divine, which takes us to positivity and peace. People call the power in different names and worship in different forms. You are so blessed if you are connected to it. The only way to connect to the supreme power is prayer. Prayer is not to influence God. It is to change the nature of one who is praying. It takes you away from your problems and provides you the strength to face your worries, provides you the peace of mind. When you feel like worrying, try praying instead. Worrying always creates more stress. Praying creates more peace. Praying is the key for happiness. It is the act of gratitude to God for the countless blessings He gave you. You don't need to ask anything while you pray. God hears more than you see, gives you more than you imagine, but in His own time and in His own way. Prayer changes everything. Time spent on prayer is never wasted. You may not believe in God, but pray to the positive power. When you pray, you start experiencing its presence in your life. Prayer do make a difference in our life. Start praying and start experiencing the difference. The difference from sadness to happiness, from problems to peace of mind, from negativity to positivity. Let the light of prayer remove the darkness inside you.